Welcome to Cannprisma, your premier European medical cannabis hub. Our seed-to-patient structure delivers integrated solutions for the medical cannabis industry. Through our global network of licensed and audited producers, we ensure high-quality raw materials meeting stringent European standards. At our state-of-the-art EU-GMP facility, each medical cannabis flower undergoes meticulous inspection and processing, being converted into highest quality pharmaceutical APIs. Our quality control and laboratory analyses ensure safe and effective medicines for patients. We manage the entire logistics chain with expertise, from permits to packaging and transport, ensuring products reach their destination safely and in full compliance with regulations. Our robust network of pharmacies, distributors, and international partners, combined with our regulatory expert team, ensures efficient distribution and full compliance across all operations. At Cannprisma, we empower and advance the medical cannabis industry through innovation, compliance, and excellence. From cultivation to patient,